Yeah, I'm Juliana and I got the hiccups. Here's 4 ways to solve hiccups. 1 way, hold your breath
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Hey, you guys, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26,
Guys,
27, 28,
okay,
29.
the next method is
Drink
get
a lot of
scared.
water.
Get scared. And the third method is drink a lot of water. And the fourth, it might not work. I say run around like crazy and don't breathe for a little bit. So that was my video for the end. Bye.
Let's bring in some of my family members.
Bye.
Come on, Julia.